Circle your calendars and set your reminders. Sysco's big reveal is almost here, and you won't want to miss it. Sysco Corporation, the powerhouse behind the restaurant and food service world, is about to open its books and show us how it's really doing. Mark it down. Tuesday, October 28th, 2025, at 10 a.m. Eastern. That's when the action happens, and you'll want to be ready. This is their first quarter earnings call, a must-listen event for anyone serious about investing, following the food industry, or just curious about the economy's pulse. Before the call, make sure to check their investor relations site for the news release and slides. That's your pre-game prep. Get the facts before the discussion starts. The call isn't just about numbers. It's where the CEO and CFO break down what's really happening behind the scenes, sharing insights you won't find in a press release. Sysco's results are a barometer for the entire food service industry, and even the broader economy. Are people eating out? Are businesses thriving? The answers start here. Sysco's numbers tell the story, revealing trends, challenges, and opportunities that ripple across restaurants, suppliers, and investors alike. This call is your ticket to the inside track, direct from the people running the show, giving you the edge to make informed decisions. Analysts will ask tough questions, and the answers can move the stock in real time. Pay attention, this is where the market reacts. So do your homework, tune in, and get ready to make smarter, more confident decisions. Booyah! The countdown is on. Now, let's talk about who Sysco really is. You might have seen their trucks on the road, but their reach goes far beyond what most people realize. Sysco is the global leader in food distribution, serving an incredible 730,000 customer locations. Restaurants, hospitals, schools, hotels, and even cruise ships. If you've eaten out, there's a good chance Sysco played a part in your meal. With a massive workforce of 75,000 employees and 337 distribution centers spread across 10 countries, they're a logistical powerhouse. Anban are distribuidores, moving food and supplies at a scale that's hard to imagine. Last year, Sysco generated over $81 billion in sales, more than the GDP of some countries. That's a staggering amount of business, and it shows just how essential they are to the food industry. They sell everything from fresh produce and meats to cleaning supplies and kitchen equipment, making them a true one-stop shop for restaurants and institutions of all sizes. Their enormous size gives them huge buying power and a distribution network that's tough to beat, allowing them to negotiate better prices and deliver almost anywhere. But managing a global operation isn't easy. Economic slowdowns, supply chain disruptions, and rising costs can hit hard, testing even the biggest players. That's why the earnings call matters. It's a chance to see how management is handling these challenges, adapting strategies, and planning for the future. Understanding Sysco's massive scale and influence is key to understanding its stock and why it's such a giant in the world of food. So, how do you get in on the action and start making smarter decisions with your money? It's actually easier than you might think, and it's a habit that can pay off for years to come. On the morning of the call, just head over to investors.sysco.com and click the webcast link. It's open to everyone, not just Wall Street insiders. You'll hear the company's top executives live, sharing their thoughts and strategies, just like the pros do. It's a front row seat to the real story behind the numbers. The press release gives you the raw numbers, but the call gives you the context, the why behind the results, the challenges faced, and the opportunities ahead. Listen closely for the CEO's tone. Are they confident, excited, or maybe a bit cautious? Sometimes, what's not said is just as important as what is. That's where you find the real insights. If you can't make it live, don't worry. The replay will be posted online, so you can catch up anytime and never miss a beat. The Q&A session is pure gold. Analysts ask the tough, sometimes uncomfortable questions, and management's answers can reveal a lot about the company's future. This is your chance to see how the best in the business analyze a company, spot red flags, and identify opportunities before they hit the headlines. Don't just skim the headlines. Listen in, dig deeper, and start thinking like a true investor. The real money is made by understanding the details and connecting the dots. Don't miss your chance to get ahead. What are the Wall Street pros saying about Sysco? The analyst community is overwhelmingly positive. 8 major analysts rate Sysco a buy or overweight, no sell ratings. That's rare. Firms like Guggenheim, Barclays, and UBS are all bullish. The median price target is $86.50, with some targets as high as $93. Even the lowest targets suggest upside from current levels. Analysts see Sysco as undervalued and well-positioned for growth. Listen to the call and see if management's outlook matches this optimism. Let's follow the money. What are insiders and big investors doing? In the last 6 months, insiders have only sold shares, no buys. Not a red flag, but worth noting. Meanwhile, institutional investors are split. Some are adding, some are trimming. Capital Research added over 4 million shares, while Citadel sold its position. This tug of war is normal, but it's something to watch. Your next move? Listen to the October 28th call. The results and outlook will set the tone for the next quarter. Will Sysco announce new growth plans or margin improvements? That's what could move the stock. Take all this info, tune in, and be ready to act. No pain, no gain.